Earpads on my head. These are the things that bring me my bread. Comfort and coolness is my style. These earpads will be with you a while.
Yo, bro, does my track really sound that bad?
It's not the track, it's just that I've been wearing these headphones all day and they're killing me.
Yeah, you didn't get the new Dekoni audio earpads.
Dekoni earpads?
Yeah, I'm wearing the new Elite Sheepskin earpads. With these babies, I have maximum comfort and zero fatigue.
Where did you get those?
The Earpad Wizard.
Who?
HAZAH! Did I hear the calls of a distressed sound engineer?
Who are you?
Oh, great and wistful wizard. His ears are in danger of falling off due to headphone fatigue. He needs one of your set of magical Dekoni earpads. Oh, I know just the pair. A DT900 Pro X. Elite Velour for you.
Whoa. Earpads on my head. These are the things that bring me my bread. Comfort and...
Are your ears in need of upgraded comfort? Get yourself a pair of Elite Velour earpads for the DT700 and 900 Pro X today. Elite Sheepskin earpads coming soon.
Oh.